So go check this stuff out.
Hey guys, it's the Fuchs Girls.
And we are making galaxy slime today.
Yeah.
And let's open it. And what you'll need for this is food dye. 2 kinds of food dye, so that you would like. Give you a choice. Sparkles, which is a choice if you would like. You'll have to have some glue, Elmer's glue, any kind of glue, and whatever this stuff is. And a little mixing spoon to do.
Keep it separate from each other. Don't want to get your stuff mixed up.
And a stick, a little mixing stick or something to do.
Our mom is going to be reading the directions for us, and right now she's dancing. Because she's a funny mom.
So the first step is...
Okay, so first, hold on. We have rules. Do not eat slimy gloop.
We know.
Or any of the ingredients, it says.
We know that.
Be careful not to splash any solution in your eyes. Wash hands thoroughly with warm water and soap after you use it. And be sure to cover your work area. All right, so fill a disposable cup with 25 milliliters of warm water, which we have. So now you are going to use the provided spoon. Grab your spoon. We're going to scoop out 1 leveled spoonful of this. Okay? Hold on, Pippa.
Okay.
All right, so 1 spoonful of that. And be careful, don't spill it.
For us.
When you put it back down, be careful.
Got it.
No, a level spoon. So then you got to go
Can you hold it while I do it?
and level it. Okay, now put it in here. Okay, level it off, Pippa.
Yes.
Ooh, okay. Now,
Stir it.
stir until the sodium dissolves. So stir that up. Yeah, just set it down, Boo. There you go. All right, stir it up, Boo. Until you don't see it anymore. Okay, so next up we are going to fill your 2nd cup of warm water, which is your big ones there. And then we are going to do 16 milliliters of glue. So
And a little bit above the 15.
just a tiny bit above the 15 because we want 16. Hold on, your lid's not open, baby doll. There you go.
I'm surprised my mom even let me buy slime.
Yes.
I think the cap off would be better.
And then we'll be good. Okay, now Pippa, what you're going to do is you're going to pour that into the purple container of water.
This or that?
Uh-huh. And use this to stir. And then Finley, you're going to pour yours into the green one and stir with the mixing stick until the glue is thoroughly mixed
Is
in.
this good enough? My mom's making weird face because she hates slime. Is this going to bubble with this?
All right, does it look like it's
end?
dissolved good?
Yeah.
Okay, so now you add 1 to 2 drops of the blue dye. The more drops you add, the darker the blue will be. So it's up to you. Stir, and then it says mix in some of the glitter.
Yeah.
Half of the glitter.
Dang it.
Because you'll want to save the other half for the purple. Here you go. Let me cut it for you. Okay, so just half of it. Don't do the whole thing.
Am I supposed to stir it first?
Here. You're going to stir it in with the blue. So just half of it.
That's about a half, right?
Go a little more. Okay, stop. Actually, Pippa, that worked out good. Your stick and stir.
There we go. That's good.
All right. Take your stick and stir.
I want it a little bit darker.
All right. That's fine. When you have it stirred the way you want it, then you're going to slowly pour in the other solution we created into your glue solution. Okay?
Okay.
And then stir it until you get... No. We're not doing purple yet. What you have in the yellow thing, pour in the purple slowly so you don't spill any. And then
like
stir
all of
that.
it?
Yep.
So you're going to slowly pour the stuff that we made at the beginning of the video.
Get all that stuff out.
It's
Grab
looking
your
pretty
spoon.
good. A spoon?
And stir it with now.
Guys, it's turning into slime.
All right, so let's start stirring.
You want to use all of this?
There. All right,
It's
let
like
me see.
literally turning into slime.
Yeah, look. Start stirring it. Look at that. Stir, stir, stir.
Guys, look.
So they can start to see it.
Oh my gosh.
Pippin, what's yours looking like? Oh.
I made my blue look dark.
Okay, keep stirring. It says until all the water's absorbed.
What? It won't come off.
Well, just get it down in there and
do
keep
this.
stirring. Not too fast. You don't want to splash it.
But it won't come off.
It's
Guys,
so
look
creepy.
At this. It won't come off.
Okay, just keep
It's
stirring.
like,
You're
it's
fine.
like something. I don't know how to explain
It's
this.
like alien snot.
It's like when Ray sneezes a lot.
Ew.
This is how it looks. It just fell off. Slime.
Okay, feel it with your hands. Is that the consistency you want?
The water's not now.
Okay, keep going. Well, Pippa's is pretty good. All right, keep going.
I think I had mine in a little too fast.
Oh, it does say slowly pour. Wah, wah.
I slowly poured.
Yeah.
If this one doesn't work out, so we'll go back to the store and buy some more some other time and make some. Maybe we'll go buy some unicorn slime, and comment down below if we should buy some unicorn slime, but the same thing and make it unicorn slime, or if we should just buy some Elmer's glue and make it ourselves. The different
Yeah.
Just dig your hand into it, grab all the slime, and just play with it. And mine is so stretchy. Hey, mine's not. It's like a
it just went on my
blob.
arm.
You should see my mommy. Show them
You
your
wanna
face.
feel
Show them your reaction.
Feel
to
it,
this.
just feel it, it's okay.
Oh, it's so
Just do it, just do it.
That's not natural.
Yeah,
Do it.
Do it.
Do it.
Don't
Listen
answer
to
to
my
my mom.
Do it.
Do it. Don't say ew. Don't say ew.
It's at Walmart. It's only like $7, and you can. It's in like the craft section, and if you love slime,
I love
stick
slime.
to me.
Somebody loves slime. Caroline,
it
her
kinda-
friend, is really good.
it's
at
kind
it.
of not like the bun on the box, but
It's not really like
so
that, but
Where-
that bean is ours. It's squishy like a buddy. But
oh gosh, damn.
yeah, it feels like my
My mom's butt. Give this
Give us a thumbs up and watch and make sure to subscribe, and if you do comment down and say #Fuchs Girls.